class 9. Today we are going to start new lesson, that is Introduction to Biotechnology. This lesson is most important as it is there in 10th standard also. Got it? So watch the video carefully. In this video we are going to see what is tissue. Okay? As we know, our body is made up of cells, different types of cells. These cells form tissue. Tissue forms organ. Organ forms organ system. And organ system form whole body. Got it? So first we'll see what is tissue. As we know, there are two types of cell, that is unicellular and multicellular organism. There are two types of organism, unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Unicellular organism is what? The organism which is made up of only one type of cell and which perform whole function of body. That is unicellular organism. And what is multicellular organism? Which is made up of more than one type of cell. Got it? Okay. Now, as we know that this textbook is formed from what? First, letter. Letter forms word. Word forms sentence. And this sentence forms lesson. And lesson forms textbook. In the same way, first it is cell. Cell form tissues. Tissues form organ. Organ form organ system. And organ system form human body. Understood? Now, what is tissue? A group of cells having same origin, same structure and same function is called as tissue. Okay? So, tissues are made up of they have same type of origin, means the tissues are made up of from cells. These cells are of same origin and same structure and also perform same function. These are called as tissues. So, our body is multicellular. Got it? So, our body is made up of many types of cells. So, we are called as multicellular organisms. As we know, the cell have capacity to divide and redivide into different group, and these different groups perform different function. Okay, so the liver is made up of that type of cell only, and it perform those cells perform the function of liver. Same way, the brain is made up of different types of cells, and those cells are of same origin, same structure, and perform brain function only. Understood? So, as we know that the plants are having conducting tissues. Okay, so these conducting tissues transport water and food to all part of a body. In the same way, our body contains different types of cells, nerve cells. Okay, so they supply the nutrient and blood throughout the body. So all the functions of body occur with full efficiency due to the specific organization of cells and their division of work. Means what? Every cell perform their different types of work. Got it? Means heart cells perform the heart function only, whereas brain cells perform the function of brain, sensory organs, or we can say to collect the impulses from the nerve cells. So that particular functions performed by that particular cell. Got it? So their division of work is distributed. So there is a specific organization of cell in our body. Now, there are two types of cells. There are two types of tissues. First is simple tissue and second is complex tissues. Simple tissues are made up of only one type of cells. Got it? So these are epithelial tissues of animals and meristematic tissues of plant. We are going to see these tissues in the next video in detail. Complex tissue. Complex means what? Made up of more than one type of cells. For example, blood of animals, xylem and phloem of plants. So these two tissues we are going to see in detail in the next video. Before that, let us continue this topic of tissues. Whereas in plant, the plants are sedentary. They do not move. Okay. But they reproduce, they grow and shows the movement. As they are sedentary, their requirement of the energy is less as compared to the human being, or we can say animals. Okay, so as animals have to move from place to place in search of food, shelter and partners, their energy needs are greater than plants. Got it? Because plants are sedentary. So, uniform growth occurs throughout the body of an animal and they do not have different dividing and non-dividing tissues. So, in animal, the growth is uniform throughout the body, but they do not have different dividing and non-dividing tissues. Okay, this means that the plants and animals have different types of tissues to perform necessary functions. Understood? So plants and animals tissues are different and those tissues perform the specific function of that organ. Understood? So we are going to see in detail simple tissue and complex tissue. Understood? So that's all for today, children. Revise this point again and read this part. Understood? Thank you, children.